Hi guys, good day. Again, my name is Ron and I am the admin for Click Worker Philippines. And today we are going to touch base on a particular question relating to what is a spam or RTA accuracy and UHRS. I pulled up something online which is a good explanation to what spam and RTA is, and I would like to acknowledge Singularity RS who posted this answer. It is so far the best explanation to what a spam and RTA is and UHRS. So according to him, spam is basically their quality check. It's making sure you're doing the hits correctly and ensures workers know what they're doing. You are not told what hits are spam. You only know how well you're doing when you check your spam score via the report. You can think of RTA as training as you work on the app. You'll occasionally encounter them. They are helpful because they tell you the answer, which helps you improve your performance on the hit app. It might give you an idea of exactly what kind of answers the owners are looking for. Spam is a test for workers. It boots out workers it thinks are not performing as the owners or as the owner expects. It determines this by your spam score. Miss too many in a row or hit a low enough score, and you'll find yourself with a ban, or worst, you will be disabled from working on a particular hit app. It's not an ideal system because a lot of apps are subjective. This is correct, but unfortunately, it's all UHRS seem to be able to use to be sure people are submitting quality work and not just answering anyhow. So, just an in-depth explanation to this. In other words, spam will be just a quality check. Every time you work on a particular hate app. To put it in simple words, remember you do training. The training will be considered as an RTA. Remember, if you work on a hate app, you are required to take a particular training, and after passing the training or after performing or finishing up a few numbers of hits from the particular training, you can now take the evaluation for that particular hit. After passing the evaluation, if you pass, then you will be able to work on a particular hit, and then that'll be the only time that quality check or your spam accuracy will put into consideration. So that's basically it. I hope this explanation is clear. Now, if you do have any questions, please feel free to post on the comments down below, and do not forget to subscribe for just for me to get more support with this particular channel. The more viewers we have, the more feedbacks we'll be able to get and more inputs from other UHRS workers, which definitely will help us improve on how we work with UHRS and other online platforms. Again, my name is Ron, and I am the admin for Click Worker Philippines. You can find us in Facebook. To join the group in Facebook, just answer the membership questions, subscribe to the channel, and send over a screenshot of your subscription. Thank you, and have a good day.